Hello everyone. How about doing some doodling today like the one we have here? Hi, I am Sanika Dhanorkar, an artist and interior designer, and I can show you exactly how to do this. Come on then, let's begin. To begin with, I am using a simple drawing paper here and this thick graphite pencil, which is a 4B lead graphite pencil. It has an insertable lead inside which can be turned and brought out like a clutch pencil. And now with this pencil I am drawing a border for the paper by making use of the edge of my writing pad itself. I am not using any ruler or scale to draw the lines, but I am just holding one finger tightly against the edge of the writing pad and running the pencil along. This way we can draw straight lines without using any rulers or scales. And now I am starting with my doodle. Basically, I am drawing just about anything that I can think of at this moment. That itself is the beauty of doodling. Doodle itself means absent-minded scribbling. There doesn't have to be anything pre-planned. We just put down on paper whatever comes to our mind spontaneously. There can be lines, shapes, geometric patterns, organic forms, just about anything. It can be haphazard or it can be decorative and more organized. The forms we draw can be separate or they can be interlinked. There are absolutely no rules to follow. Just let your imagination flow freely and a beautiful piece of art can take shape. Doodling can be very effective in relaxing your mind. In that sense, it is quite therapeutic. It calms your mind, soothes your stressed nerves. So then just give it a try and let yourself go. You may follow the pattern I have drawn here or follow your own instincts. The choice is absolutely yours. And that's it. Our doodle is done. I hope you liked it. If you did, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave your comments and share it with your friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications for future videos. Also click on the end screens to watch more videos. Thank you.